The two automakers are working together to launch electrified pickups. Key takeaways. Nissan and Mitsubishi are joining forces to bring an electric pickup truck to the US market. The partnership will allow Nissan to introduce its first plug-in hybrid in the US, while Mitsubishi plans to launch its first EV using Nissan's technology. The new electric pickup truck, potentially based on the Nissan Frontier, is expected to arrive between 2027 and 2031. It's tough to build a vehicle, even for established automakers. One way to make it easier is to forge a partnership where each brings something to the table that the other needs. Nissan has already partnered with Honda and now it's teaming up with Mitsubishi. The two automakers will work together to bring an electric pickup truck to the US market. The partnership happens as the shift to electric vehicles continues to challenge every automaker to simply keep up with the times. Once at the front of the pack with the Nissan Leaf, which came out in 2010, it took more than a decade for the Ariya follow-up. EV and PHEV. Nissan is making up for lost time with its first plug-in hybrid in the US. It will use a system designed by engineers at Mitsubishi. On the flip side, Mitsubishi plans to launch its first EV in the US using tech it's borrowing from Nissan. That's only the beginning of their ambitious plans. The two are also jointly developing an electric pickup truck for the US market. It will be built in Mexico and will include both fully electric and plug-in hybrid variants. As for timing, look to see this new truck sometime between 2027 and 2031. While nothing has been said about what this new model might be named, it could easily be an electrified version of the Nissan Frontier. The Frontier was fully redesigned for the 2022 model year, but it has only one powertrain option. It's a decent V6 that delivers 310 horsepower, but having only one engine limits the Frontier's appeal. An electric option would be a welcome change. Nissan previously announced a new plan called the Arc, which includes the launch of 30 new cars over the next 3 years. It's basically overhauling its entire product lineup around the world with new models and revised powertrains. This new partnership with Mitsubishi should help that plan come together.